Now imagine that you're in a coffee shop, right? And you want to buy a coffee or a cup of coffee. So there are some dialogues. Let's talk about them.
Can I help you?
Can I help you? So the staff can always ask this question. You can always hear this question. Can I help you? How can I help you? Okay? Or what can I do for you?
What would you like?
Again, what would you like? So what would you like becomes like what would you like? Understand? So would you becomes would you. What would you like? Or what do you want to eat or drink, maybe?
A cappuccino, please.
A cappuccino, please. So she is very specific. She is talking about a specific thing. A cappuccino, please. Again, please is very polite.
Regular or large?
So regular or large. What is regular? Regular means normal. Okay, remember regular verbs, irregular verbs. So regular verbs means normal verbs. Irregular verbs means unnormal or abnormal verbs, right? In that case, regular means normal. Large means bigger than that. Okay, more than or bigger than normal.
Large, please.
So large, please.
And can I have an espresso, please?
And can I have an espresso, please? Why an espresso? Again, grammar, because espresso starts with E, and E is a kind of vowel. Because of that, you have to say an. You cannot say I have a espresso. It is not correct. So can I have or take an espresso, please?
To have here or take away?
To have.
So to have here or take away. Very, very good question. To have here means to eat or to serve here, okay, in the restaurant or in the cafe. Or take away means like take it with yourself and go to another place and drink it or eat it at somewhere else.
To have here.
To have here means, okay, we want to eat it or drink it here in this cafe. We don't want to take it outside.
Anything else?
Anything else means, for example, do you need something else or do you need extra things? Maybe I can help you with that.
No thanks.
No, thanks. Thank you very much.
A brownie for me, please.
A brownie for me. Brownie is a kind of cake, right? A brownie for me, please. I need a brownie.
Okay.
How much is that?
Okay, that is okay. How much is that? Means how much money I have to pay. So how much is it? How much is that? How much do I owe? How much do I pay?
Together or separate?
Together or separate? Good question. Which means that do you want to pay it together or do you want to pay it separately? Okay?
Together.
That's $6.45, please.
That's 6.45, please. You know, 6.45. Or you can say 6.45.
Sorry, how much?
Sorry, how much? Why? Because he didn't understand how much the price is, right? So that is why he said sorry, means I beg your pardon, excuse me, I couldn't understand you. How much? How much? Because I didn't understand.
6.45? Thank you.
Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome.
So thanks, Mark. If somebody thanks you, you can say you're welcome, okay? Or don't mention it.
Look, there's a free table over there.
Look, there is a free table over there. Free table means nobody sits there, nobody occupies it. So let's use it, okay? Over there, again, because he's showing it over there, not necessarily with a finger, but you can show it like over there, okay?
Here you are.
So here you are, or here you go, right? What happened here?
I'm really sorry.
I'm really sorry. So that really is a kind of intensifier, which means that I am extremely sorry or I extremely feel bad about what I did right now.
Don't worry. It's always the same.
So don't worry means do not panic. That is okay. Calm down. That is not a huge problem. It's always the same. Means all the time it happens. Always the same, you know?
When I wear white, something like this always happens.
So when I wear white, something like this always happens. So it is a kind of superstition. Maybe she thinks that whenever she is wearing something white, white color, this type of accidents always happens to her.
Look, first I'll get you another coffee.
Look means listen, wait, pay attention. First, I'll get you another coffee. Means first of all, first thing first, I will buy you another coffee.
Then we can go shopping.
Then we can go shopping. Then means after that, after drinking, after having your coffee, our coffee, we can go shopping to the shopping center to buy something, right? To buy a t-shirt most probably.
Shopping?
So pay attention to the intonation. Shopping is a kind of surprise. Shopping? What are you talking about? We don't have time for that.
Yeah, I want to buy you a new shirt.
Yeah, means of course. I wanna or I want to. I want to buy you a new shirt or I wanna. So I wanna is the fast version of saying I want to. I want to buy you a new shirt. New opposite of old, right? What is the synonym for the word buy? Purchase. So I want to purchase you a new shirt. You can also say new, okay? New British, new American.
You can't go to a meeting like that.
You can't go to a meeting like that. Means it is not good, it is not appropriate, it is not suitable to go to a meeting like with dirty shirt. It is not good, right?
But we don't have time. The next meeting's at 12:30.
But we don't have any time. We don't have much time. The next meeting is at 12:30 and she's so stressful and she's so panicked and she says, "We can't go shopping. We are so late." What are you talking about?
We have time. It's only 11.
We have time means calm down. Pay attention to the intonation of the mark, you know. We have time means calm down. Of course we have. What are you talking about? Why you're so panicked, you know? Calm down. Easy, easy. It's only 11. It's just. Only means just. It is just 11 o'clock. So the meeting is at 12:30 or 12:30. And we have plenty of time. What are you talking about? Calm down.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Are you certain?
Yes, sit down and relax. Let's have coffee and then go. Down.
Yes, please sit down, okay? Relax or calm down. Let's have coffee and then go. Let's have coffee. Let's enjoy our coffee and then we can go shopping. Don't worry about it.
Well, okay.
Well, okay. All right. That's okay. Let's see what is going on, what is happening. So at a hotel, social English. Now we are going to socialize and talk about some social English, or I would call them like situational English. Let's have a look.
Where are you from in the United States, Mark?
Where are you from in the United States, Mark? Where are you from